So I accidentally just spilled the Angry Orange odor eliminator all over my hands, and I'm not even mad about it. It smells so good. It is actually used with natural orange pressed oil. So like all you can smell is orange deliciousness. It smells really, really good. And it's really tough on odors. And the great part is that you can use it virtually anywhere. On the back, it says you can use it on carpets, floors, fabric, in your basement, furniture, trash cans, bathrooms, on a turf, which is great. So this is why we actually bought this. We have a little Frenchie and we have a designated area outside. So we have like a fake turf, and I have just been kind of spraying it down with water, but I didn't want to use any harsh chemicals. So we got this just to spray on that turf, and it smells amazing. We are definite fans of it. And the neat thing is that every time you use it, you actually have to give it a really good shake because it has all these natural ingredients that it just naturally separates. So you just need to make sure you shake well, just give it a good spray, and you're good to go.